Hey guys, so I have no idea where we are. I don't recognize this gas station. I've been sleeping this whole entire morning during the first 4 hours of this car ride because I woke up around 1 a.m. I needed to finish folding laundry and also pack some last minute stuff. I figured that if I sleep during the first portion of this car ride, I'll be able to watch the girls. My husband's still like more alert, like he's not exhausted yet. I have Mavis right here and Edith is right there. This girl is having a lot of fun exploring this van.
Look.
Look, I know, mommy puma.
Daddy did.
Daddy ho.
Daddy she did it.
Yeah. So connected to this gas station was actually a McDonald's, so we ordered some breakfast to eat and then got back on the road to continue our drive from Washington to California. In the 16 years that we have been together, this was our first big road trip as a couple and for our family. I knew there was going to be some challenges trying to entertain a 10-month-old baby and a 2-year-old in a car for 16 hours, but despite all of the challenges, we still made the best out of it. It's exactly 8:20 right now and we made it to our Airbnb. This house is huge. My girls are not used to all this space. This girl is having so much fun walking everywhere. She's only 10 months. We finally made it to our Airbnb around 9 p.m. and for dinner we just ordered some Pan Express because it was the easiest thing to do. By this time we were all super tired and just ready to be out of the car. I couldn't wait to get the girls settled down, take a shower, relax and just sleep because I was so exhausted. It is 6 o'clock right now and I've been up for a couple hours already. I have this little one. I was trying to get my hair done, but it just wasn't going to be possible because she just wants to be next to me and she wants me to hold her. So I'm just trying to spend some time with her so that she doesn't cry. You guys know I always have to do a tour of the places we stay at, and this is by far the biggest and nicest Airbnb we've rented. We chose a big house because we were sharing the space with his family and wanted the girls to get as much time as they could with their grandma and aunties. This is a 2-story house with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms located in Lodi, California. I really liked the sliding doors, but it was actually kind of cold while we were there, so we didn't even open them or utilize the backyard at all. As much as I love a big house with lots of space, spending an entire week living in one really made me have second thoughts about owning a big house one day. My husband and I were joking about how it takes us 20 steps to get from the living room to the kitchen because we're so used to our tiny home and having everything we need on one level. I had to use my bag as a little caddy for my things because I kept forgetting stuff and would have to run up and down the stairs multiple times during the day. Our family slept in the master bedroom and oh my gosh, it was so nice to have our own bathroom, a huge tub to bake the girls in, and a walk-in shower. It felt like luxury for a week having this space, and it almost sort of felt like home as well because everything we needed was literally right there for us. I'm doing a load of laundry because our clothes from traveling are like super dirty. Come on, Lou. Come on, let's go on the bunk bed. Come here. It's gonna be your favorite. Look, we're here. Should probably move the pillows so she has the space to go over there. Wow. Whoa. Don't jump though. Don't you think about it. Mama, cái này có bên gì à? Lo. Có bên gì hả nè? Ai yo, có anh baby à? Dì lú cha. Dì lú cha. Hi guys, so we're on our way to Vinay Wholesale Supermarket. It's exactly 9:54 right now, so we have 34 minutes of a drive and we haven't ate yet, so I'm hoping the kids don't get too irritated on this drive going there. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Oh look, this is what mommy needs. Okay. Maybe we'll get some. We went to V-Night this morning and picked up a few things to eat. We have some sticky rice with pork belly and beef sausages. And I bought 2 bowls of kabong and also some la. I don't remember if this was good or not.
I think it was okay.
I can't remember. And then I also picked up some coconut layer cake. These are actually pretty good. And I bought 3 cups of tricolor, but we already ate 2 already, so we still have 1 left. And I also got some fried noodles too. There's too much ketchup. She don't want. We just got done eating. We're all super full right now. Mavis is watching Cinderella and I'm just trying to tidy up the kitchen. The funeral starts at 8 o'clock, so we need to leave by at least 7:30 the latest. I did get some Benadryl from Walmart because I think Edith had an allergic reaction to something yesterday. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but up here on her head, she had like a red dry patch. I also stopped by Walmart because we needed to do 2 pictures for the gallery table. It's 9:56 right now and we just got home and I'm actually gonna enjoy a In-N-Out burger because I didn't eat any earlier. First bite of In-N-Out in 2 years. It looks really good.
It's Sunday morning and I didn't film most of this day because we actually came to California for my husband's grandmother's funeral. I pretty much spent the entire day chasing them around. My girls were already sick before we came to California and I actually got sick while we were there. I started to lose my voice and I got really congested. We brought the girls back home during the afternoon so that they can rest and take a nap because being in social environments can be really exhausting, especially when you're out of town as well. I reheated some kabong for Mavis to eat and cooked some chicken soup for my baby, and then we headed back over to the funeral home for the evening service. It's Monday, and after the burial, we stopped by In-N-Out to grab some food before heading over to the church for lunch because my blood sugar was actually dropping really low and I started to feel really fatigued. After everything was done, we just went home and relaxed for the rest of the day.
This is a pomegranate tree. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Wow. Yeah, we'll take it apart. I don't know what the price is. These are so cute, babe. 30 bucks, that's so expensive. 38 for these small ones. Look at that, small pietazo. Yeah, they're cute, but this one's huge. This one's 60. That's all we've been eating. Do two? This pepper wasn't bad though. Do you need more pepper?
I'm gonna try this one.
What is that? Oh, put your talabengo. Probably wasn't selling.
Out of business. He drove $12 for this.
Daddy, I'm buying some rice cake and your cake for my baby.
That's fine.
You can pop more than not though.
Yeah.
No.
Disappointing.
The sauce is actually really good.
Sauce is good though.
That sauce is good too.
Yeah. It's like light, spicy, sweet. It's perfect. That sauce makes up well.
Don't eat it. My sister-in-laws are watching our babies today, so we're able to actually go out and do things without hauling our kids around, so I'm very grateful. We ordered 2 Hmong pants for Gong because the last time we came we wanted to order some, but we were leaving within like a day or two. She wasn't gonna have it done on time, but we'll have to come back here on Thursday to pick it up, which works out because then we're able to buy all the food that we need to for the road. Maybe we could eat chicken noodles on Thursday because we're gonna come this way anyways. Yeah.
Let's see if Christina Charlotte was good. We got room.
I do miss my babies though. I feel bad when I don't have them with me. It's like you feel guilty. It's so good. It tastes better when you have to buy it. We're gonna head to Arden Fair Mall, and then after that we're gonna head back to Lodi and go to the Daiso there because I've been waiting. What is he doing? Ew, he just like pour stuff off. I've been wanting to go to Daiso ever since I got here, so I'm gonna go and literally take my time and look at everything and buy everything that I want.
Oh my gosh, though, this Daiso was one of my favorite things about this whole entire trip. It's the biggest Daiso I have ever gone to, and I had so much fun browsing at everything, and they have so many cute travel size items. I think Daiso is a really great store if you live in an apartment because they have a lot of things for small spaces. It felt really nice to have this day just for me and my husband to be able to go out and do what we needed to do and not have to worry about the girls. But I'm not gonna lie, we always miss them when they're not with us. We couldn't wait to get back home to them. It's Wednesday morning and I wanted a head start on packing, so I started putting away stuff that I knew we weren't using anymore. It was also the last day the girls had with their aunties and cousins, so we took the kids to the indoor jumping place and they had so much fun.
We're here.
Afterwards, we grabbed some lunch before heading our own separate ways, and it felt really sad coming back to a big house with just us because everyone was gone, and Mavis did not want her aunties to leave at all. She cried so much when they were driving away, and I just felt really sad for her because she spent a lot of time with them, and it was really refreshing for her to have other people to play with besides just me and my husband. But once everyone left, it was just us again.
Good morning, you guys. It is our last full day here, so we have a lot of cleaning that we need to do. My girls are still sleeping. Edith already woke up, but then she just went back down for a nap. I'm gonna try to get this place tidy up as much as I can, and also kind of figure out the food situation, what we're gonna do, because there's so much food that's eventually just gonna get thrown out because we're the only ones left and there's no way we're gonna finish everything. I do have to pick up my husband's pants today and also just get some last minute food for the road because we are gonna leave early morning, at least by 4 a.m. like how we did coming to California. I got some papaya from Cinco Market, so hopefully it's good. I requested her to make it spicy because my husband likes to eat papaya spicy. It smells pretty good.
I finished packing everything, and since we were able to park in the garage, we loaded the van up the night before so that it would be easier to just get up and go in the morning. And funny thing, my alarm actually didn't go off, so we were an hour behind on schedule, but I'm not gonna lie, we were so tired and getting an extra hour of sleep was actually very beneficial for us. We didn't want to feel rushed since we were just driving back home, but at the same time, just knowing that we had a long car ride ahead of us made me even more eager just to get home. The girls did really good on the way home, and a huge thank you to my husband for driving us safely to California and back. It wasn't easy managing 2 kids by myself in the car, but I know it was also not easy for him to be the only driver responsible for all of us. So it'll probably be a very long time before we do another road trip like this, but this trip was such a core memory for us, and I'm so glad that we have these memories to look back on.